And we just have to leave that for like a minute just to soften the skin so that we can get a good shave.
Okay.
The cosmetology industry is excellent for people that are very creative. They love working with people. You have a passion for making people feel good about themselves. There we go.
It's a good feeling when someone gets out of your chair and they just are happy with the way that they look. Like after doing my first client, I definitely knew like I wanted to do this.
Great job. In the classroom, they spend at least a semester getting prepared to go into our simulated salon, which they work on clients doing facials, manicures, pedicures, styles, haircuts.
Now, since I'm in the lab part of the cosmetology program, I get to come to school and I know that I'll have clients lined up. I'll have a haircut in the morning and a facial in the afternoon, and it's just cool. And I don't know what it's going to be, but I know that my day is going to be filled with different appointments.
We teach them to be very broad-ranged so they can pick the different career opportunity that they would like.
Anyone who comes in, we're doing a service. There's some days where I've had a manicure and then within the next hour, I had to do a scalp treatment on somebody. So it's very versatile. We use everything.
We want to work with our hands. We want to get our hands into hair and in scissors and cutting. So I think the fact that we can come here and actually have a hands-on experience is definitely a huge draw.
We also get them prepared and ready to pass their mock state boards in order to get licensed to work inside of the salon.
Throughout the whole course of the cosmetology program, the teachers are really making sure that you know and understand the key points that are going to be on the state board exam. They just really want to make sure you pass.
Very nice.
Cosmetology is a program that you could go into multiple different areas. You can go into being a cosmetologist, you can do nail tech, you can own your own spa. There are multiple different avenues that you can take into this industry.
I like traveling, so maybe I'd be interested in like training people and traveling. Honestly, I don't even know where it'll take me, but I'm interested to know where it'll go.
If it is really what you want to do, coming to Gateway is a really great choice. The instructors are amazing, all very knowledgeable. It really is definitely worth it.